Hello everyone. My name is Shojib Bosu. So today I am going to show you the final project of our database management course. So the project is about making a website named Home Cleaning Services. About home cleaning services, and the contractor of that website would be Anna Johnson. So. Something here are some criteria. Here are the criteria that we have to fulfill for this projects. Like first one is like a unique client ID for every registered client, and some service request form submission sections, and quote negotiation sections, then service order completion, bill payments, etc. And also there are some queries for the contractor's dashboard, or I mean the ANA's dashboard. So here are those criteria. So I'm going to show you the project, and I will try to cover all the criteria in this video step by step. So first let's go to the jam control panel and start the database. So the database is running. Mm, okay. So here is the database for our project, which is home cleaning DB. Now I'm going to the source code here. So this is our source code for this project, home cleaning project. Here is the backend code sections, you know, and also there are some, and also this is the front end course where I do the styles and FJS. This is the HTML websites, the mm, the this is the main core source code for this website. So now I'm going to uh, open the website. So here is our website. I tried to make this website as look as much good as possible. So I hope you'll like it. And so I'm going to go step by step through this website. So first I'm going to just register a client. So let's name. So when we register a client, we can see the first, the first criteria of our website, that when we register a client, there would be a unique client ID generated at the registration. So here is the registration, registered client ID, and so you can see that the client ID we have registered is client ID 13, which is unique for for so when we, so the client ID is like we have select this client ID like uh, you know the in the periodic way someone registers, like if the next client ID would be 14, the next client ID would be 15. That's for what is like. So So the register client has been registered. So now if we go to the client login section, so the password would be, so to make it just simple, we are using the client ID as password. So here, so you can see the client ID is hard in here, and also those these are the new client. So she doesn't have anything. So let's just create a service request and see if this works or not. So client ID 13. So we can add at least 5 photos here. So I'm just um, adding just normal photos. So you can see that the 5 files have been submitted. So here I submitted the request, and there is a request ID which is 46. So if we go to the client login section now, so we can see that a service request has been created in the name of the of our client. So now if we go to our service request section, sorry, the quote management system. So here is all the pending quotes. So this is the contractor section. I mean the Anna will view when someone is creating any request, service request or something like that. So she can adjust the price or date or give any notes to the client. So if we just here we can let's see that the budget should be 140. So, and she is also giving the time like 7:40. So 7:50, suppose she is going to be on 7. And she can also give a notes like increase budget, please. Increase budget, please. So let's say 60. So now if she submit the quote, so you can see that the quote has been removed from this side. And so if we go to the client again, so you can see that the proposed budget has been in coming to Rina's dashboard here. So let's renegotiate it. So if Rina can renegotiate this offer. So his counter offer maybe 140. So let's see. So the counter offer has been submitted. Okay. So, the counter offer has been submitted here. So if we go to the, or quote management section again and view, so if we go to the quote management section again and view all quotes, so you can see that client who has, she has already renegotiated that price, respond to the negotiation. So she can either accept or reject the negotiation. So let's just accept the renegotiation and 160. And let's say we say like she is going to 1. 75 or yeah, 175, let's say. New price. And you know, thank you. That's okay. So, she has so there is the so let's see. So we can see that she has the 175 that we already renegotiated. She also renegotiated it. She also renegotiated it. So at last they have come to this. So we are just accepting this right now. So this is an optional thing. So in your notes, so she also says thank you, and the quote accepted. So so this is all the way. So negotiation, renegotiation, everything has been covered in these sections. So now we are going to the order management section. So if we go to the order management, so we can see that the Rinamoni has this order number, order ID. There is already order has been created, and 175 everything is here. So now if we mark this service completed, so let's say the service has been completed, all the room has been cleaned. So let's complete this order. So Anna is completing and generating bill. So the order has been completed. Now if we go to the client login section again, now we can see that the bill has been generated into the client's client sections here. So in the bill management section, so you can see that there is an unpaid bill already here in Rina Moni name, and there is no disputed bill here. So let's say so so we are going to no disputed bill right now. So we are just going to pay bill for Vinamoni. So let's go to the client login section, and we are going to pay it. So when we pay this bill, the bill has been paid. The evidence history we can see here. Bill response paid via website. So you can see that when the bill has been paid. So now if we go to the unpaid bills, sorry, unpaid bills and refresh it. Sorry, uh, refresh it. There are the 175 that Rina has been paid. That's not in the unpaid bill sections. But if we go to the bill sections, all bill sections, so we can see that the Rina money, all the bill has been paid, and this evidence is here. So this is all the way through in this website. So how one can just create a request, negotiate the request, and renegotiate the request again. So both handler from client angles, how he can renegotiate it, and share, and how the contractor will get the renegotiate. So I have covered all these things here. So there is another things like sometimes she can reject requests, she is busy or something like that. So let's see if there is you can reject anything. So we have some thing here. I think this was one of the demo data. I think the demo data. Let's see. So this is one of the demo data, like Sarah Johnson's, which I have put through the database in my PHP admin. So let's just you can reject the request. So Sarah Johnson, deep clean. We can see that the request ID is 16, and here is Sarah Johnson who is requesting for deep cleaning. So we can reject this request from contractor point of view, and let's just say it's busy schedule. So the rejected the the in the code has been rejected. So if we go to the client login section and uh, let's go to Sarah. So so you can see that the deep cleaning has been rejected here. Okay, and this was also rejected, I think. Okay. So these are the things. Mm, so I think I have covered all the way through this the workflow of this website, like so all the bill management, order management, etc., etc., and quote management also. You can view all the quotes here which are accepted, not accepted, and is there anything pending or something like that. So these are all the way through all our website. I hope you like it. Now I'm going to show the queries of the NS dashboard here. And let's see if those things are working or not. So first, if we go to the frequent client sections, so here is all those data here. So you can see that there are many data here, like everyone has completed at least one order or something like that. So let's handle these queries. So first, if we go to the frequent client sections, so here the home cleaning DB sections, go to the SQL. Sorry. So you can see if we just want to just match the client ID, we can see the 6 1 12 2 3 13 7 7 8. So you can see that there is 6 1 12 13 7 8 1 2 3. So how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So everyone is here. Now let's see the uncommitted clients. So here is one uncommitted client who has not completed any orders yet. So let's go to the SQL sections and select for the uncommitted clients. So you can see that one uncommitted client who is here. So now we are going to the this much accepted quotes. So many, at least, I mean, how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, at least 9 data sets here. So let's see if they are. So this month's accepting, we go to here. Yes, we can see that 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 data sets are here. And they're also, I think, you know, they're also matching too. Like you can see, um, how can I say, port ID, port ID. Yeah, let's see. What was the port ID is 12 11 867. So 12 11 867. So these are the port ID and they're matching. So now if we go to our prospective clients here, so prospective clients. So Tom Brown is our prospective clients, and we can see the prospective clients is here, Tom Brown. So largest jobs we have like one, two, three, four, five largest job in our in this here. So if we go to the largest job sections, so we can see that the largest jobs here, one, two, three, four, five. Okay, so these are the request ID 231532, and we can see the 231532. So the request ID are same. So this query is also working perfectly. Now, if we go to the overdue bill section, so let me first copy this overdue bill. So the overdue bills here, we have two overdue bills. So now if we're going to write the SQL here and go to the overdue bills, so Emma and Noah, and we can see that Emma and Noah who are not complete, who didn't complete it, so they are the uh, you know, also the black clients, I think, both of them. So let's see if they are both bad clients or just one. Yeah, they are both bad clients because they have overdue bills. So let's see if this query is working or not. So here, you can see that the bad clients are same as the overdue bill. So let's see our last queries is good client. So who is our good client? So here is the good client of ours, like Tina Mehra, Jackie Chan, and Rina Moni, who are the good clients there because they already paid. I have already said that Rina Moni, who I already registered today, and she already get the get a service, request for a service, and get the service, and she paid when the bill generated, like after that. So the bill has paid within 24 hours. So you can say that Arena is also a good customer. So there are three good customers here. So if we just run the query here, yeah, let's see Tina, Jackie, Rina. So those are the so these are the queries, all the queries that has been taken care of. So I think I have covered all the criteria of this website, and I think we should. I think there is another thing. Oh, so here is the thing that each quote response and bill response must be stored in database since they represent possible evidence in disputes. So let's see. So in the let's see in the negotiation history. So in the home cleaning DB, let's just you know go to the home cleaning DB SQL. Mm, select count. And so when we first let me show you that the evidence tracking table in our database before we begin any action, like it's clear. So now I'm going to create show you that everything is you know the whole thing is automatically generated in real time here and also in the website. So let's go to the quote management sections here. So now load any pending requests. So let's see. Mm, so we have a Sarah Johnson. So he is one of our clients. So adjusted price, let's say 120. So we are submitting that with 200 and a note to the client like mm, cleaning package with a heavy duty cleaning. So if we submit this, oh sorry, the date has not here yet. Okay, let's see. The date is tomorrow, 9/2. Okay, so let's submit this query. So now if we go to the negotiation history here and mm, and we are going to run a SQL like select. So we can see that the response that we have already done here, like the quote is submitted like $200 dollars and with a heavy duty cleaning, something like that. Though it's not clearly showing here, but we can see that it's it's saving the real time, so all the things are going real time here. So if we do anything in the website, so it's already saving in the database the real time, so we can see everything like the message to anything like what message they are sending or what is the negotiation amount or something like that. Okay, so and it is also seeing here we can see that the standard type here is who is contractor and the evidence type is quote response and what time it's creating everything. So now so now let's see. So we can see that the contractor says contractor's response is creating saving in the real time. So how about the client's login? So let's go to the client's login section. Okay, so let's go to the client login sections like Sarah. So, like, she already the quote has been, has been done here. So, view evidence. If we go to the view evidence, we can see that these are the notes that had been with the heavy duty cleaning that we have already seen. So, like, if we accept, so let's just accept this with the note that thank you. Okay. So the code has been accepted. And if we go to the here, so let's go to what happened. It's taking time. Sorry for that. So now if we um, so we can see that the client point in from the client point of view, you can say the sender type client, co evidence type code response. So you can see that the thank you message also. So, so all the things are, saving real time. So if there is any problem for like bill distribution or something like that, so in our dispute, we can, use these things. So each quote response and bill response must be stored in database. So this criteria is also, maintained in our website. So I think I have covered all the criteria of this website, or I have tried my best. So thank you for listening me very patiently. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.